Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at why to replace 3M Novec fluids and not equipment for now. In 2022, 3M announced that they are discontinuing all Novec fluids by the end of 2025. And now let's join Mike Bangasser, president of Best Technology, in the webinar Understanding 3M Product Discontinuation.
Our primary market segment is really precision manufacturing. So your medical device, aerospace, semiconductor, all industries that are regulated. They've got extensive testing and manufacturing stabilities that have to happen for these manufacturing lines to be released to do mass production. We understand that. That's my background. And we understand what that takes to make a change in your manufacturing process and implement some kind of replacement for these Novec fluids. On the near term end, like right here, right now, we got to look at chemical alternatives that our customers can use the same equipment. Being in regulated industries, if you were to get a new piece of equipment and a new chemical, you have full equipment validation and process validations to go through on top of the lead times. The lead times on products to get new capital equipment right now is 14 to 20 weeks. Once that equipment's brought in, you have another 3 to 6 months to get your validations moving. There's not enough time. The 3M production is going to run out by then. So where our goal was, we want alternatives that our customers can use in the same equipment they have. Maybe sounds contradictory since we sell equipment. That's our bread and butter. Would we like to sell you equipment? Sure. I don't feel the time is right to do that. We need to get our customers transitioned first and then look at budgeting and investments in new equipment and developing new technologies and equipment and chemical innovation.
Thanks, Mike, for those insights into why to replace 3M Novec fluids and not equipment for now. For the latest news on the 3M Novec phase-out, visit the Best Technology website. Contact an applications expert at Best Technology to learn how you can start your transition to a 3M Novec replacement today.